Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Check that your iPhone 13 runs a compatible iOS and that the SSD is formatted XFAT or apps for best compatibility. Connect the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter between the phone and a powered USB hub, then plug the SSD into the hub so it gets stable power. Once done, unlock the iPhone and tap Allow when the prompt appears. This grants files app access. This immediate setup prevents mid-transfer disconnects and ensures the drive is recognized. Now you'll transfer and organize. Open the Files app and find your SSD under Locations. That's where you access folders and confirm visibility. Tap Select, choose Files or Folders, then move or copy to a destination on iPhone or back to the SSD. For reliability, copy large data in smaller 15 GB batches so the phone can handle buffering and avoid overheating. Make sure to check free space on the target and the SSD's temperature. If it's hot, pause and let it cool before continuing. Finish by safely ejecting. Close Files, wait a few seconds for writes to complete, then unplug the adapter. Abrupt removal risks corruption. If the iPhone doesn't mount the SSD, connect it to a Mac or PC to verify and reformat to XFAT or apps. That fixes most compatibility issues. If the drive keeps dropping, switch to a self-powered SSD or use a powered USB hub to supply adequate current. As a key troubleshooting tip, always test with a small file first to confirm stability before bulk transfers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.